Hello everyone. So in the last video we have actually seen the complete picture of this mapping scenario with the proper input and output, right? So we have in other words we have seen a brightness controller switch scenario with this code, okay, where we play around with the analog read value, where the value from this switch is being read, and there's a map function that is used to convert between this analog input and analog output. So let's say the map function is being used as a bridge to connect analog read and analog output, okay. Then also the brightness controlling output, the LED using analog write. We have seen all of these three contexts, okay. So reading the value, converting it, and giving it as an output. So we are all good. So how our system will work now is I'm sorry guys, let's say this is ground and this is +5 and this goes to 0, okay, and let's say the LED is connected to pin number 7 somewhere else, okay, I mean the other side, okay, that's fine. So now this is ground, this is +5, right? So if I rotate my pin this way, that means increasing side, +5 side, analog value will increase. That means the input analog, because we have serial printed the value as well, okay. In the last video you have seen that, you might have seen that, okay. Obviously if you watched the video you know it. So analog value increased, okay. So this increasing, because this is the increasing side, from 0 to +5 we are moving. With that we have seen the LED's brightness also increased, not like this, like this actually, okay. LED's brightness also increased, yes or no? Yes. So that's totally fine. So if we are rotating it the other way around, that means the decreasing side, okay, let's have blue. If we are rotating it the other side, decreasing side, okay, then we have seen the analog input values are going down and the respective analog output values are also, we were seeing they also were going down, and the brightness also was coming down, okay. So if you are rotating the switch or this whatever this variable resistor in the increasing side, brightness increased. If you are rotating the analog input variable resistor in the decreasing side, value decreasing side, LED brightness decreased. This is totally fine, okay, yes or no? Yes. So now what I will do is I will come and ask you, okay, I am bored with these things, okay, this is very straightforward. Let's do something, let's invert it. Invert means what? If you are rotating it in the increasing side, I want the brightness to be decreasing. You understand? That means if the analog read values are increasing, the analog output value should be decrease. Okay. If I am rotating the other way around, that means if I am decreasing the analog input value, okay, if I am decreasing the analog input value, I mean I am decreasing the analog, that means analog read values, okay, the analog read input values are going down, analog, okay. When that is happening, I want the brightness of the LED to be increasing. So other way around, right? So if you are decreasing the analog input value, okay, from +5 to 0, LED brightness should be increased. If you are increasing the analog values, analog input values, not analog values, analog input values, LED's brightness should be going down. Understand? You understand what I'm telling again, right? So you increase the analog input, the LED brightness should go down. You decrease the analog input, LED brightness should go up, okay. So other way around it should work, okay. So from our code we can see this is very straightforward. If we increase the analog input, that means if the X is increasing, okay, the Y is also increasing, right? Maybe within the range it is increasing, right? And we are getting the analog output as we expected, right? All good. Because if we are getting 1023, then the respective Y value will be 255, okay. If the X value is 0, then the respective Y value will be 0, okay. So like that, I mean I will have it here first, okay. So if X is 0, Y is 0, we know it. If X is 1023, Y will be 255, we know it, right? Why? We can see it here. See, if the input is 1023, the respective output will be 255, right? If the input is 0, the respective output will be 0. So the in between values will be mapped to respective analog output values. Okay, in between input values will be mapped to respective analog output values. This is totally fine. Okay, so that is why earlier, if we are increasing the analog input value, that means rotating in the increasing side, analog output value also increased. That, in other words, brightness increased. Okay, or let's say voltage increased and the brightness increased. Normal way. Now what I want is, I want this to happen the other way around. Okay, what is the other way around? Opposite way. Okay. So how now I want to happen is, when I am giving 0, okay, as the x value, y value should be 255. When I am giving 1023 as the x value, y value should be 0. That means what? What I am telling is, if this is in the maximum point, okay, that means this plus 5 point, that means 1023 units, if this location of the preset, then earlier the voltage was what? Output voltage was 5 voltage. That means analog output is 255. Now we are doing the opposite, right? So now it should be 0 voltage and the analog value should be 0. When the input is at the best at this point, 1023 point. Okay, that's what I am saying here. If the input x is 1023, the output y should be 0. Okay. Likewise, if we are rotating this to this point, the minimum point of this variable resistor, if it is coming at this point, earlier what we did, we know analog input was 0, so our analog output also was 0. So both are 0 voltage also. Okay. Now analog input is always 0. There's no question on that. But our output we have to revert. Okay, invert. So output should be 5 voltage. So that in another word, now earlier when we are at this point, okay, 0th point, analog input 0 point, our output was 0 voltage. LED was off. Now when we are here, we want the output to be 5 voltage. LED should be at its maximum brightness. You understand what I'm talking about, guys? Okay. So that is what I have written here. When we are at the 0th point, the maximum output should be there, 255. That means this is x. X means what? Input value. This is y. Y means what? The value that is going to be given in the output. Okay. So earlier, for in particular input, respective output we got. See, minimum input, minimum output, maximum input, maximum output. Now we should do the other way around. Minimum input, maximum output, maximum input, minimum output. So when we are giving a 0, that means the variable resistor is at the minimum point, the LED should be at the maximum brightness. When the variable resistor at the maximum point, LED should be at the minimum brightness. That means should be very off. Okay, lowest off position. Okay, so when we come to the picture again, so now this was the previous scenario, right? Now what should happen is, that means the here in the 1023, you can see in the 1023, okay, I'm taking the orange, let's say yellow, no, let's take blue, so no, purple. Okay, 1023 means what? The variable resistor in the highest position, 5 voltage. Okay, input 5 voltage, highest position. Now we should give 0 as output, no, 0 voltage. So analog value is 0, so we should go here. Likewise, if you are in the minimum point, 0th point input, output should be at the best and the brightness should be highest, 255. So this should go to here. So inversion, see, earlier 0 went to 0, see, 0 went to 0 earlier. Okay, and 1023 went to 1023. You see the black path. Now 0 should look at the yellow purple path. 0 should go to 1023, 255 maximum, and 1023 go to 0 minimum. That means the opposite way. Okay, guys. So I hope you understand to some extent. If you don't understand, just rewatch the video. We will further work on this, okay, in the next video. Then it will be much clearer to you guys. Okay, so just follow me up in the next video. I will properly explain the rest of this code, rest of this example, and you will get a full picture, guys. Okay, so I'll catch you up in the next video, guys. Please follow me up in the next video.